And speaking of a possible downturn, Singapore Prime Minister Lee Hsien Loong says the country's economy is already starting to see a slowdown, particularly in the electronics sector. But Mr. Lee sounded a note of confidence, saying that Singapore is prepared for the uncertainties ahead. Ho Yin reports.
It's a Lunar New Year tradition for Prime Minister Lee Hsien Loong. Goodie bags were handed out to low-income residents of Ang Mo Kio GRC, along with red packets, each containing 150 Sing dollars in cash and supermarket vouchers. It's a small gesture that brought a smile to housewife Haslina Mahmud. The cost of living weighs on her mind, and she's worried her Malaysian husband will be hit by the downturn.
I worry more because he has work permit, and then if one who know one day he can carry on working with the work permit. What happened to us lah?
Mr. Lee says uncertainty in the Year of the Dragon can't be avoided. But what the government can do is to improve the education and public transport systems and build more homes so that young couples can start families.
We have to take that in our stride and accept that. But I think within Singapore, we should continue to build, we should continue to develop, we should continue to prepare ourselves and our next generation for the future.
Mr. Lee later officiated the opening of a wet market and food centre, which had recently been renovated. This wet market has been around for at least 30 years and it's become a focal point for residents living nearby. Now, Prime Minister Lee Hsien Loong says over the next few years, more of such wet markets and hawker centres will be built with the aim of keeping food prices affordable for Singaporeans.